Welcome to my class, and today we will be learning about grammar, and in that we have taken the subject article. Yes, and if you have the book with you, please turn to page 18 from your grammar book, and from the reader book come to page 12. Keep both the books open in front of you. From grammar book come to page 18, and from the reader to 12. Article, two different types of article. Indefinite article, that is one or anyone, anyone, anything. So see, when I say anyone, what is the meaning? It does not tell us clearly which one. Anyone. Give me a pen. Which one? Any pen. Give me the pen. Which pen? I know that particular pen, the pen which I gave you. Give me back. Give me the pen. Give me the pen. The difference. Give me a pen. I don't know which pen I am talking about. Any pen. Now again, indefinite article can be categorized under two. So in one sense, if you see, here we have an article. We are studying article. Article, there are two types of article. One we have seen is indefinite, and then here we have seen definite. Clear? So article, there are two articles. Again, we have studied that indefinite article can be two types, a and here an. And here definite article, the. Sound, we will talk more about it. So this is what article, and then we have seen here indefinite article one side and definite article, the. Here again a and. A for consonant sound. For example, boy, boy, b, a boy. Pin, 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 p is consonant sound, a pen. When you differentiate with this vowel sound, now egg, egg, a, e, I, o, u, a, e, a, o, u. These are vowel sounds. So, an egg, vowel sound. Okay, r, 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 one r, two r, r. It's not hour. No, don't say har. It is r, an r, an r. So, get the sounds. Though the letter H before our H, but it is a vowel sound. Therefore, an R. Clear? So, understand the sound alone and things will become clear to you. Now, let me get back to the same. Before vowel sounds, A before consonant sounds. Remember, article A and indefinite article, one or anyone. Okay, now talk about sounds. Vowel sounds, A. A. So A, E, O, U. I repeat. A, E, O, U. Now take any word. If the first sound of the word has these, then definitely we are going to use an. Example, egg, A, vowel sound, an egg, ice cream, it is a vowel sound. Therefore, an ice cream. Don't go by the letter. Letter might be I, you, umbrella, you. Don't go by you umbrella. No. Umbrella, a. So, if the sounds are of vowel sound, then we will be using an. And if they are not, there are only two kinds of sounds, right? Vowel and consonant. And if they are not vowel sounds, then there we use a. Now, take the example of cup. What is the first sound? K. See that? And this is not the vowel sound. K is vowels, consonant sound. K, consonant sound. Therefore, a cup. Another example, if you want, take the example of, take page, P. First sound, I always said, right? P is a consonant sound. Therefore, a page. Now take this one, orange, o is a vowel sound. I can give you the entire list of vowel sound. So, o, vowel sound, and orange. Therefore, an orange. Here I have given the vowel sounds and with the example, A. Okay. So it is A. Sound is A, E, O, U. A. Umbrella, A. Umbrella, A. Umbrella, A. A. Egg, an egg. Egg. Old man, old, O. Old, O. M. What is the first sound here? M, A. M. So, an MLA. What is the first one? A. MLA. Excellent. So, this is how you must understand. B. Okay. After B, don't say C. I'm talking about sounds. C. No, it is not C. See that S comes there. S. So, that's why I haven't written. I repeat again. Okay. B. After B comes S, right? C. S. I have written here, sir. So talk about sounds. C, no, letter. S, D, F, G, H. But when you say HOUR, it is not hour, but it is R. HOUR. Now, it is not har, H, but R. Therefore, an hour. T, V. V, y, worried. These are consonant sounds. Worried. Yes, yellow, y. These two are a bit, little bit of tricky, but you get it. Okay. White, woman, yellow. Yes. Yoke, and here you z. These are consonant sounds. So if the word begins with this sound, in the beginning, if they have this sound, you use a teacher, t, a teacher, car, k, 1 rupee, wa. What is this word? You have here o, but sound is w. See, One. Therefore, 1 rupee. University, university, year. What is this sound? This is this, year. University, year. Year, year. University. So, a university. Go and call a boy. Any boy you will call a boy. Any boy, for that matter, you are not going to. Now, the moment you ask which boy, go and call the boy. So here that boy is very clear. Okay, ma'am, okay, sir, I will call. Go and call the boy. Give me an eraser. An eraser, E, because vowel sound. Now, did you particularly say this, that, or no? Just anything will work for that. But the moment you say, give me the eraser, that particular eraser, give me the eraser. Somebody had taken eraser from me, and I'm telling, no, give me the eraser, It's not a eraser. My eraser has fallen down. Somebody has picked it up. Okay, give me the eraser. That means that particular eraser. Call a boy, any boy, a boy. And see here, call the boy, particular boy. So this is the compare and understand. See, the method of comparison helps you a lot. Method of comparison. When you compare and learn, you get things very clearly, which is why I want you always to compare this and that, and then you learn, you pick up better. So find a chair for me. That means I'm standing, I need any chair. I'm not asking for this, that, or that, those. Just get any one chair. Any, see that word again comes, any. Just go, and I'm not worried about that. I just need a chair. Go and find the chair for me. That particular chair only you must find. It's not that any other chair. No. It is just go and find the chair. That particular chair. Come on, don't worry. Ask that question. Ask the question. Don't worry. So that is what the thing is. Clear? So this is how you need to know. Now here, please give me an. Now an. Here we are using and. There was no and. Why? Not because of E. Because of the sound A. Extra A. Give me the extra copy. That whatever. That extra you should come to me. That page you should give it to me. Particular. Same sentence understood in different way. That is why when I say the thing, how do you want to make sense for grammar? That is what is very important, because lot many rules will confuse you. But how do you make sense when you speak? Now, indefinite versus definite, that already have known. First time reference, I read a book. The book was very good. Which book? I read a book and the book was very good. Wow. So which book? The book. That first time you have referred, second time, and that book was very good. This is what? I read a book. There were many pictures in the book. There were many pictures in the book. The book. Which book? This is what? This book. Mentioned earlier, first time. Therefore, we are using here the. Only in that box, be very specific. Go and wear a cap. This is one. And another one. Understand the difference, okay? Versus. Go and wear the cap. What is the difference? Very quick, you can just message me if you know the difference, okay? So, go and wear a cap. It is very hard. Go and wear the cap. The cap which I gifted you. The cap which you bought yesterday. The cap which is there on the dressing table or wherever, on the bed. very particular about these things. That is the only one rule. And how do we understand this particular things? That is what explanation. I repeat, okay? The only rule for definite article is that it has to be very particular. Everywhere you use this, it has to be very particular. And that particular, how do you understand that it is particular? How do you understand? And that is the rule we are studying. Now, particular person, particular things, and then singular noun, but representing the class. Like the cow. When you use the cow, that means all the cows in general terms. See, it becomes particular in that sense, and we use the cow. The dog is very faithful. The dog. That means any dog. All the dogs. So it becomes particular in that sense. Before superlative degree. Now, before superlative degree, when you say, what is superlative degree? Good, better, best. So, good, better, best. Next is happy, happier, happiest. See? So, this is what many, more, most. And this rule says that we use definite article before superlative degree. Now here if you see, this is superlative degree, best, the best, the happiest, the most. Got it? What is that superlative? Here this, the last one, good, better, best. Therefore, when you write this thing, what are you going to do is the best, the happiest, the most. And this is how you are going to write. Clear? Okay. Now we move on to the next. Definite. So before some proper noun. Now here, understand what we have seen here, before some proper noun. Now I said some proper noun. Only some proper noun we use definite articles. So in the next slide, in our next slide, we will study that what are those some cases. Okay, here, particular person, very clear. Particular thing, again, very clear. Singular noun, very clear. Superlative degree. Now, particular person, when you say position, the prime minister, position, the prime minister. The governor. See, particular fixed position we use. Okay, so do not use for all the proper noun. Now see, here proper noun. Now go back to your noun in my previous video and then come back here and study. So particular person, position, there we have seen this is what. But when we say some proper noun, so this you must understand very clearly. Some. A few countries, not all. So this itself says that not all, a few countries. Clear? Some monuments, some monuments, again not all. Ocean says this is okay, fine. Newspaper, desert. Okay, few countries, when I said a few countries, what are they? This Philippines, the Netherlands, the Andaman and Nicobar Island, Maldives, United States of United Kingdom, the Republic Kingdom. So, What is happening here? These are, see, they have S at the end. The group of islands, they understand, they represent, they come like many, a few, 2, 3, 4, 5, number of things coming to a region, islands, they form plurality in nature. But don't go to that. I will teach you later. Now just remember these names. Okay. United, Republic, Union, Group, States, they take the. But you just learn these elements. Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, the Ganga, the Suez Canal, they are very particular in nature. You know, the thing is, they don't have double existence. Only how many Ganga rivers we have? Only one. So it automatically becomes particular. Think. Newspaper again, the Times of India, only one. Take the book which are very particular in nature like Bhagavad Gita, the Bhagavad Gita, Bible, the Bible, Quran, the Quran. This is what newspaper, desert, musical. This all I have just given you the examples, okay? And that is precisely all these slides. I have colored them separately, all in purple color. The Rahim, no, not the Rahim. And please don't write in your copy also all these things. So do not use the before cities, state, country, continent. Now, if you take country, keep them separately, keep these countries separately. And other than this country, do not use the season, festival, language. I am speaking English. I study English. Not I study the English. No, I'm speaking the English. No. To summarize, article, definite and indefinite. Indefinite article is not particular. There are two types, A and. A for the consonant sound and for the vowel sound. The for particular use. And in the, we have seen where we use and where we do not use.